Episode 4. Turn scripts into full videos. With AI editors, zero editing needed. Editing used to take hours. Now it takes minutes. Welcome to Episode 4 of YouTube Automation. Create smarter, not harder. Today, we're turning your script in AI, voiceover into a full video using AI video editors like Pictory, InVideo or Runway. These tools combine stock footage, animations, music, and your voiceover automatically. Here's what you'll learn. How to import your script and let AI match visuals. How to add your voiceover and auto-sync timing. Tips for customizing clips, fonts, and branding. Exporting your final video in HD, ready for YouTube. This method is perfect for faceless channels, tutorials, or explainer videos. You don't need editing skills, just your script, a voiceover, and a few clicks. Let's build your video the smart way.